What? And so we're going to dive right into what would Mikara wear? Yes, because I'm all about looking good, okay? Okay? If I need to show a little skin, be very colorful if you haven't noticed. Girl, yes. What? I'm going to let you go first since you are the guest. What would you put me in from your collection?
I think I would put you in the Green Madame because it's very colorful. And I think that's who you are, like you said. And you can't, because this one actually doesn't have any closures in the front. Mm-hmm. So you can dress it to how you want. You can put like a little bra top, bralette underneath, a little crop top underneath. I always dress my girls like pretty covered up, but you know, to each their own. You can always style it to however you like. And I just think the big bright colors and the way that this one shines in the light, you're doing the most in this one. So I think that one would be perfect for you.
Well, girl, guess what? That was definitely my staple piece, girl. First and foremost, my favorite color is green, surprisingly. Nice. So anything with green, I'm gravitating to first. And then it was like a blue. I'm not really like a blue fan. I don't feel like blue like really just met, but the way it was just combined, I was like, oh, this look good. This look good. The hat, I'm not a hat girl, but I would wear the hat. Just like if I was in a nightlife, have my little sexy little something on, okay, with the mask.
It's a vibe.
Yes.
Right? It's the whole thing. Maybe separately, like you said, you might not put those particular things together, but the whole thing head to toe, it's a vibe, and that is the NLM vibe. So there you go.
Yes, that was like, it's a nice little, you know, I'll be in the board meetings or something, and then at nighttime I'm with my girls, I'm tossing the shirt out, okay? Hey, girls!
Yeah.
Yes, that is what Mikara will wear from her collection.